সেটা কি y equals to u by v. If y is equal to u by v, then dy by dx equals to v du by dx minus u dv by dx divided by v square. এই ডিভিশনটা আমরা এখানে দিই by v square. So dy by dx equals to v into du by dx. v এর সাথে কিন্তু কি ফর্মে আছে? মাল্টিপ্লাইড ফর্মে আছে। কোন ফর্মে আছে v এর সাথে? মাল্টিপ্লাইড ফর্মে। মাইনাস u dv by dx divided by v square. এখন এক্সাম্পল y equals to 3x minus 2 by 2x minus plus 1. Okay, 2x plus 1. Done. Have you understood? But this is just a math. So now dy by dx means this is v and this is u. Listen. This is v, this is u. So v, this is u. So dy by dx means this is v. So আমরা যদি এখানে লিখি u equals to 3x minus 2. Then du by dx. Here is du by dx. Du by dx. So we need du by dx. If this is u, so u means 3x minus 2. So du by dx equals to only 3. 3x, if we differentiate 3x, the result is 3. But 2 is a constant number. Here is no any x. There is no any x here. So if we differentiate a constant, then the result will be 0. So minus 0. Take কি 0 লেখে। So আমরা 0 লিখি না। Okay. v equals to twice x plus 1. Twice x plus 1. তাহলে dv by dx equals to বলো ঈশান বলো। Okay. 2x plus 1, if we differentiate 2x plus 1, the result is 2. Only 2. 2x, if we differentiate 2x, the result is 2. 3x, result is 3. Plus 1. 1 is a constant. So, constant ki differentiation kore result is 0. So, only 2 result. Now, dy by dx equals to সাথে আমি ক্লাস নিচ্ছি, আমি তোমার সাথে পরে কথা বললাম। ভিডিও করতেছি, ভিডিও কলে পাঠাতে হবে। দেখো তো dy by dx equals to v dy by dx. V means twice x plus 1. V du by dx. What is du by dx? Into 3. Okay. V du by dx. What is the value of du by dx here, beta? 3. du by dx is 3. So v into 3. V du by dx minus u. U means this 1. 3x minus 2. U dv by dx. The dv by dx is 2. So this is 2 by v square. V means 3x plus 1 whole square. Okay. Okay, beta. Reason? Abrar?
2x plus 1. 3x.
3x plus?
2 হবে।
This is 2. Oh, 2. Oh, sorry. Twice x. V is twice. So twice x plus 1. V is twice x plus 1. So v square means twice x plus 1 whole square. এখন এটাকে আমরা সিম্পলিফাই করি। Just we simplify this. 3 to 6x plus 3, 3 1s are 3, minus 3 to the 6x, minus the plus 4, divided by twice x plus 1 whole square. This plus 6, this minus 6 will be cancelled out. So the result is 3 plus 4, 7. The result is 7 by twice x plus 1 whole square. Okay. Any question? Any problem? Any confusion? If there is any confusion, ask me, please. No hesitation. Ask me. No question. Clear?
Yes.
U by V means dy by dx V du by dx minus U dv by dx divided by V square. Just formula. If you memorize this formula, then any type of math of division rule will be very, very easy.